In this episode, we take a close look at the HSM SECURIO P44i, a professional solution specifically designed for the high-volume data destruction needs of large departments, examining all its details. The HSM SECURIO P44i is not just a simple office device, it is practically a data security station. With its massive 205-liter collection capacity, it is designed to handle the entire destruction workload of a department on its own, continuously and reliably. One of its most innovative features is the IntelligentDrive motor technology. This system allows the machine to adapt to the needs of its working environment. Imagine you are in a legal department where full concentration is required. You select the silent mode. For daily routine tasks, the standard mode offers the ideal balance. But what about those times when massive archives need to be destroyed quickly, like at the end of month closing? That's when the performance mode kicks in and increases efficiency by up to 40%. It's like having the flexibility of 3 different machines in a single device. The 400mm wide feed opening allows even large-sized documents to be processed easily. The 1900-watt motor power is the driving force behind this performance. And despite all this power, the idle noise level of 55 decibels remains at the level of a normal office conversation. Now we come to the most critical point: strategic data security. Not every document has the same level of confidentiality. This chart shows the different security levels offered by the P44. P2 may be sufficient for general office documents. However, when it comes to sensitive information such as personnel data or customer contracts, the P4 level is a necessity. But what about strategic R&D data or merger and acquisition documents? That's where microcut levels like P6 and P7 come into play. At these levels, information is practically turned to dust, making recovery impossible. This is more than just a compliance requirement, it's a strategic security measure. And let's conclude with that strategic question we asked at the very beginning. In today's world, where data protection laws like KVKK and GDPR are stricter than ever, physical document destruction is no longer just a routine office task. It is a strategic security decision that falls directly under the responsibility of management. So, what is your organization's stance on this issue? Is it a solid investment in data security or a neglected risk that could lead to hefty fines and loss of reputation in the future? A professional system like the HSM SECURIO P44i is designed to ensure that the answer to this question is always an investment.